Hi, I'm Dr. Sarah Higbee, and I'm coming to talk to you today about a special topics that I'm offering next semester in the graduate program in biology, which is biochemistry and physiology of plants. In this course, we're going to be really looking at plants from A to Z, from seed to maturity, and from root to leaf. So in biochemistry and physiology of plants, we're going to be doing a twofold process. We're going to be looking at the biochemistry of plants, which includes things like looking at photosynthesis in depth and why plants produce oxygen and why is oxygen important to us. And also looking at things like sugar metabolism and why plants are the producers and are at the top of the food chain for things like consumers. In the physiology part of the course, we're going to be looking at things like water transport, secondary metabolites, shoot to root growth, growth regulators, and things that make a plant grow. In this course, there's a number of ways that I'm going to evaluate your performance. There's going to be a midterm and a final. Those will be take-home, open book, open reference. I will also be evaluating you with short essays. These short essays will be based on topics that I present in PowerPoint presentations. Another part of the evaluation process will be discussion boards. In the discussion boards, we'll have forums that talk about primary literature and literature that you find interesting to the subject of plant biology. Oh, you know, one of the interesting things is that this course is not a taxonomy course. You will not be learning how to read a taxonomic key. You will not be learning species names or genus names. This is all biochemistry and physiology. These things are important for teachers, and if you are a teacher or a researcher, these are important things that you need to know in terms of how a plant functions, and in turn, how a human can function, because some of the processes that happen in a plant also happen in a human being. So what we learn in plants, we can apply to human beings too. So some of the discussions we will have in this course are how plants affect the economy of many different countries, and all countries in fact. Whether you live in a desert or whether you live in a cold climate, you need to grow plants in order to have an economy. So we'll be looking at that. Also, we'll be looking at the technology that has evolved around plants, how we are able to alter plant genomes in order for plants to produce human genes or human proteins, how plants have been engineered to produce their own insecticides, their own herbicides, and how that helps and hinders the economy in terms of GMOs. How bad are GMOs? And that will be one of our big discussions. And have you thanked a plant today for the oxygen it's producing for you?